Welcome in. I have been inspired by such things as the overlay I had going on the intro screen, so today I want to see if I can make an overlay for Twitch in Godot that actually responds to chat and stuff. So I think step one for that is going to be getting chat displaying on my overlay. Did a little hello world here just to get it working, get things to make sure that this was even actually possible. But yeah, this is an awkward way of showing it, but you can see there's a hello world on my screen. It's yeah, it's also capturing the mouse, which is a little awkward. Let me fix that. How do I fix that? Okay, let's not capture cursor. There we go. But yeah, so you can see there's text there and it's getting displayed on the middle of the screen. So we have an overlay, technically speaking. It's just, you know, bad. So next step is to hook this thing up to Twitch. And I have a tab open for that. Because of course I have a tab open for that. There's this plugin called Twitcher, which is a Godot library for implementing Twitch functionality in Godot. So I think this is what we're going to use. So check out the project into your add-on folder or use the asset lib. According the path has to be add-ons, Twitcher, otherwise the internal path doesn't work anymore. Okay, let's stick you over here, you over here. Wow, okay, fine. We'll just have dead space over here. Love that. We use the asset lib. Okay, so how do we use the asset lib? This is the next question. Go asset lib. Search for Twitcher. Here we go. Download. Okay, and then I guess I have to stick it where it said. Oh my god. We're gonna download it there for now. Path has to be /addon/Twitcher. Okay. Are you downloaded yet? Yes. To extract some files. Let's extract them into a folder. How about? Okay. Close. Do I need any of those? No, I don't think so. Okay. So we're going to copy that folder and then find out where in here we can add things. Tools, maybe? No. And where has my music gone? Quit project list. Will that, oh, hang on. I just found a thing. So instead of local projects, we can have asset library. Oh, come on. Apparently that's just not gonna work. And of course you want to open on the other monitor. One moment. So I've been trying to figure out where Godot is even installed on my machine. Oh, goodness. And heck if I can figure out where I've actually stored it. Oh, look at that. Asset lib right there. Okay, that's import. Oh, okay. Asset zip file. Oh, okay. Hang on 1 second. Okay. Oh, I think maybe I figured it out. Okay, there we go. I got it. Okay, we've successfully installed it. So then we need to enable the plugin via project settings. Come here, plugins. No, I don't want to create a new plugin. Do I have to turn it off and on again? Probably. Fine. We'll turn it off and on again. So how's everybody doing today? This fine Tuesday evening? Let's try this again. Project settings, plugins, still not here. Okay, let's try this. We'll just install it 16 times in 15 different ways, and then one of these ways should work, and it totally won't mess anything up. Okay, Twitcher installed successfully. Okay, project settings, plugins, Twitcher, enable. It's thrilling. This is progress bar, the dev stream. Oof, progress bar and watch it crash the dev stream. Ah, well, that's development. Oh, there we go. So now, insert your credentials, plugins, Twitch, project settings, Twitcher settings. And then this is where I need to do secret stuff. So I'll stick that over here. Find them at the Twitch dev console. Oh, you know what? I think I know what this is. Oops, that. And then to Twitch developer console. Okay. Let's stick that over here. That looks like something you guys aren't supposed to see. Select the applications tab, register an application. All right, this isn't too scary. You guys can see this part. Jesus. Making an overlay in Godot. I'm trying to. I know it's possible, but I'm also learning. This is very much learning. I also haven't done anything in Godot since last summer, so this is great. All right, this said something about redirect URLs. You're probably doing pretty great. I mean, we just started, so I'll let you know. No, that's... There's too many windows going on here. Okay. This URL has to point to your PC application that the authorization is redirected after the login. In case you have no clue, just use that. Okay, just use that, it says. For the redirect URLs. Category. Game integration. Browser extension. Chatbot. Analytics tool. I'm going to go with other. And we're going to go with confidential. And at some point this is going to just start displaying tokens that I don't want on the internet. So I'm going to put this on the other window right now. Starting is the best way to complete something. It is, in fact, an incredibly important first step. Didn't like the name for my application. Why are these all invalid? I just... Is it the spaces? Do you not like spaces? Invalid client name, it says. Just... Does it have to have a unique name? What is your issue? Application name between 3 and 100 characters displayed to user when authorizing your application. And it just says invalid client name, please try again. Or do you hate me because I'm not using a conventional browser? Anyway, Sloppy Gaming, hi, how are you? Welcome to the stream. I didn't say that before. How are you? How are things? As I stare into this void, getting frustrated at it. Also at this GIF. I'm gonna just scroll that off the screen. No, okay, that does need to be there. Is it just that you hate this browser? Do I just need to do it in a different browser? Let's try in a different browser. Nope, invalid client name, please try again. That's wildly unhelpful. Invalid how? I just... Okay. I got it to work. I have a secret that I'm not sharing publicly on the internet. I just need to find the window where I need to put the secret in. Goodness knows I have too many windows open. There we go. Yes, I'm quite certain I want a new secret. I'm not sticking on the internet. Authflow overlay, great. And then I just need to call Twitch service.setup at some point in your application when you want to start this Twitch integration. See the examples. Okay. I guess that's it. Okay. So in theory, we can now actually connect to things. I'm not going to worry about emojis just yet. I am going to fix the music though. Let's find a whole big playlist. I swear I'll get this all sorted out eventually. Okay, and now let's see your example. Specifically, I think I want to see this script, and I want to make that a little bigger. Okay, set up all the library, connect to event sub, and okay. Listen to message received. Alright, well, let's attach a script, I guess. We actually want this to extend control, it looks like. Not that I can spell. And then it looks like we need to make this wider. Oh wait, I can do that. And then we'll need this on chat message, which is massive. Okay. You know what? We'll do that. We'll just copy the whole file and then figure out what it's doing and keep the pieces we need. Okay. So I need to change the following in the project settings. Don't have a broadcaster ID in here. I have the client secret. I think maybe these instructions are very slightly out of date because don't have broadcaster ID, username, or any of this auth stuff. I have a drop down for auth flow. So maybe that works. So there's that. Oops. What is this? No, I don't think we want that. Oh, it's event sub. Let's go directly to project settings, Twitch. So, okay, so project settings, Twitch doesn't have. Oh, here we go. I found another sub menu. Okay, hang on a moment. We want chat read and chat edit. Oh, there's so many things. I think I have the ability to make like clips and stuff in here. Wow, okay. There's a lot of stuff I can do in here, but right now we're just going to go with chat reading and editing, which I guess is the same thing as a write. Broadcaster ID of myself. And it says broadcaster ID, I can't and convert it here. Yes, I'm a human. Okay. There is no obvious way to find your channel ID in the Twitch admin interface. Wonderful. This feels like maybe a thing I also shouldn't put on the internet. So we're going to put it over here. It looks like I just type in my username and I get an ID that I fill in. Twitch WebSocket. Ah, here we go. WebSocket is another submenu. Ah, the name of the bot. Okay. Okay. I've clicked a button and I don't know what I did. But I think it's probably okay. It's probably fine. It's probably fine. Okay, so I've done that. I've done that. I've done that. Done that. Done that. Okay, that should be everything. Let's run it and see what happens. Does it explode? Ah, okay. Script. Does not want to be... Okay, you're going to... Main is not going to be... Oh, I guess I need a main scene for things to be located in. Add a child node. Why are you over there? Come here. You're going to be a control node. We're going to detach the script and attach the script to control node. And we're going to save that because that'll work better. And then we're going to stop it running. And then we're going to see if maybe it'll run without errors now. Okay. Windows Firewall is blocking some features. Oh, look at that. Okay. That's fun. Okay. Now I've logged in on another page. So in theory, I broke it. What do we got? Chat container input line. Okay, yes. The errors are that I don't actually have a UI for it to put things into, but that's okay. That is okay. We can fix that. Those are expected errors. We'll just stop that. Nope. That, yeah, that full on crashed. Okay, but it's only upset because we don't actually have stuff for it to put chat messages into. Okay, so what kind of stuff? What kind of stuff do you have in here? Looks like you've got a VBox container, that's the chat container, and that's the parent. Got a control node named a chat that the script's attached to. We have a chat container, oh sorry, scrolled container, which is a child of chat container. Okay, I think we can build this based on this file. So let's just name this to be the same chat. And now you've got the VBox container. Make a little bigger. You're called chat container. Oh my god, I want to make this just a little smaller. There we go. Chat container then contains a scroll container. Hello, Amber Dragon. How's the sound volume on that? Because the sound volume that's going in my ears is not the same that's going in everybody else's. Was that a sufficiently loud rar? Do we need to rar again? Your scroll container, that was just called scroll container. And you've got a child called the VBox container called container again. Okay, so then top chat container contains an HBox called input container. Oh wait, this is building a full-on like chat and send thing. Oh no, heck no, we don't need that. I don't want to send stuff. Okay, let's make that big. It's not loud. No, I was more wondering if it was too quiet, but I've got the music way louder in my ear than it is on stream. It's an important message. These are not important messages. Do not ask how many hours I used up around computer issues. Yeah, something about your cat ate some wires or something. All right, well, let's see what this does now. Nope. All right, you're upset because root. We don't care about any of these because we're not trying to send messages. Oh, I guess we do need that one. I don't need that one because we're not sending any messages. God keeps walking behind the computer, so I have to raise the tower. She keeps unplugging things. Yep, that's cat life. Yes, yes, yes. Oof, broke that one real hard. Okay. There's like, can I seriously just drag that? Yeah, I can. Say it was like alt something. Wasn't it? Oh, maybe you're that one? What does that do? Does that... Ooh. Yep. We're just, yes, yes, yes. We need to stop that. Okay. Once more with feeling. Oh, it almost worked. Okay, we've almost solved all the problems. Node not found, Twitch IRC channel. Which we do need. Where is that window? We've got a generic node type called Twitch IRC channel. And maybe that's it? Assign type node to a variable of type Twitch IRC channel GD. Because we're missing a script. Nope, not in there. Nope, that's the one we already have. Wait, we need to make this of type Twitch IRC channel. Okay, it hasn't broken yet. This is good. In theory, it displays chat messages. Does somebody want to try that? Just need a message in chat. There we go. Let's go test. Huh. Well, it's not exploding, so that's progress. It's also not doing anything. So on chat message, we should be getting all the data from the chat message, getting all code, making it fit nice, getting the emojis. And it should be adding it to the chat container. And then this is all stuff about emojis, emotes, whatever. Well, this is gonna be fun to debug. So in theory, putting stuff in chat should be creating stuff. Stuff should be happening. All right, how do we debug this? Where are you set up? Channel is Twitch IRC channel. Oh, maybe this isn't set up properly. You seem to have a script. Let's see if this is receiving things on message received. Okay. So in theory, when I type test in the chat, we should get a here in the log. We are not. So I'm thinking something isn't set up properly. Okay, there's a ton of events I can subscribe to, but that's not what I want. So something somewhere isn't sending, or something's not being received. Either it's not sending or it's not receiving. How do I test this? How do I test this? Hang on. Twitch, WebSocket, IRC. What if I do that? And run it again. Oh, okay. This is progress. This was progress. Something different happened. Non-existent function is joined. But is joined is right here. This is not in my script. This is in somebody else's script. Okay. This is good. This is progress. I filled in something incorrectly somewhere in a configuration. Okay, where are you getting called from? Well, let's see if we can't Google that. And of course I can't just copy and paste that. That would be useful. We're really close. We're so close to actually getting some data in here. Give me error message. Wait. Output. Here we go. No channel is specified to join. The channel name can be set on the Twitch IRC channel node. Okay, and my channel name is that. So now is that it? Is that what we needed? We have 1 minute to go before the ad break. Is that what we needed? Nothing's exploded. Ah, yeah, it did explode. Yeah. Okay, but that was close. That was closer. Not said authentication is successful, so that was something else. Okay. Oops. There's ads. Here, have a game. I don't know what's up with this. For some reason, because we're getting no channel specified to join, which is crap, because it is absolutely set, and we are joining successfully once. Like, it's successful. And then something happens, and it's not anymore. So, why is that happening? Are you tied to? Join channel. Why are you like this? So very, very close. Why do you need to be difficult? It's trying to join a nil channel name for some reason. That doesn't make any sense because it's here and we have the channel. That's making that the root make it better. Now it's probably going to break because I didn't redo things in the code. No, that helped nothing. Of course not. Alright, let's see if we can find some documentation about this Twitch IRC channel thing. That's a Twitch event listener. That's not helpful. I need more documentation. Oh, here we go, documentation. Alright, let's see. Yeah, so I did that. Okay, did that. I did that. I did all the create credentials stuff. That's Twitch event listener. That's event subscriptions. That's not... Oh, wait. Channel chat message. Maybe I do need to set up some of this. Hold that thought. Project settings, chat, message, subscribed. Polls, predictions, hype trains, charity, shoutouts, so many things. Okay. That seems to be a publicly available thing, so I'm not too worried about that. Dryer C is enabled. Does that make it any better? No. I don't know, does anybody in chat magically know? Sometimes chat is magical and knows things. This is not the exciting part of development. It's the staring at it wondering how the heck I've configured this incorrectly. Because, like, it's there and then it's not. This documentation is not super helpful. That's about emotes. Okay, it's just received. So, like, our script is fine. I just don't know what else to try here. Like, what even is there to do? Chat and event sub. Like, I just don't know what else to try here. Twitch service set up. Yep. Great. It's just, there's nothing else to do. There's an absolute lack of documentation. It's very annoying. So, you know what? We're gonna say, fuck it to all those. They can go away. Hell with that. We'll do our own message thing. And we're going to get rid of all that. Don't need that. Don't need send message. Let's see that we even need formatting time either. Super basic. Let's go. No, of course not. Of course not. Is this perhaps a turn it off and on again problem? Which you should not do before pressing the stop button. Maybe magically? No, of course not. This is great. We love this. We love that the Twitch IRC channel thing doesn't want to work. Like, it's still under relatively active development. It's only 4 months old. Okay, you know what I've got? I have the ability to open this example thingy properly. Somewhere. Did it wrong. Hang on. Hang on. Downloads, this folder, this folder. No, how do you not have that folder? There we go. Let's see if we can at least get the straight up example running, and we can figure out what's different. Let's see what they intended. Looks we had it generally correct. Oh, and I can't log in because the settings aren't right, but that's fine. Okay. All right, so what's different about you then? I add my channel in there, then what happens? It really wants me to fill in the client ID in the project settings. Fine. Fine. Is that enough, or am I gonna have to go get the client secret too? Okay. Says it logged in. Nothing shows up. If I type test in here and hit send, also nothing happens. But it doesn't break in the way that mine does. So what's different? What is different? Why are you different? Well, chat, I am perplexed. I'm just about ready to give up for the night. This was supposed to be the easy part. It's just supposed to be able to fill in some stuff. I don't know why I think setting up is going to be the easy part. Setting up is never the easy part. Maybe there's a different way to do this. Maybe we just don't use this plugin. It just would be really nice because people have already done the work. Perhaps their project settings are different. Maybe that's it. Any of these settings different? Doesn't look like it. About in WebSocket. Doesn't look like it. We don't like tracks with vocals. We'll skip that. That's how I have mine all set up. I suppose I could go get a client secret again. That's probably why this isn't working. Dev.twitch? Yeah, there we go. Fill that in. See if maybe this actually works. Okay. It does nothing. There's nothing in the output. There's nothing in the debugger. It just does not do anything. Okay, did I get all those things? Let's follow the instructions. Twitch auth broadcaster. Auth. Broadcaster ID. Yes. Client ID. Yes. Secret. Yes. Set Twitch auth. Scopes chat. Read chat edit. Yes. Did that. And then in WebSocket. Let's try that. Okay. It authed. This is good. It doesn't do crap. If I test over here, does that show up in the chat? No, of course not. No, it just doesn't work. Okay, that's great. Except this one works. This one does not work in a way that is absolutely useless because I don't even have an error message. That's fantastic. This music does not fit my mood right now. This is like the, yeah, we're solving it. Here's the montage of it actually working. That's not what's happening right now. This doesn't effing work. Well, it's a load of crap. Don't like this at all. I'm sort of inclined to give up for right now, because I don't know what else I can possibly try now that the example doesn't even work. Like, where do I go from there? Where do I even go from here? I mean, roll my own plugin is an option, but I don't want to do that. I suppose find a different plugin is an option. I like the sound of very simple Twitch. Connect your Godot games to which I would log in with just one line of code to read messages instantly. Includes a dock for easy Twitch developer setup, supports OIDC, I don't know what that is, and provides a simple interface for interacting with the Twitch API to write messages, timeout users. Okay, I like the sound of that. You know, let's try this one. But we're going to open our project again. So everybody hang tight. Come on, open please. Oh wait, did I not install it into this one properly? Oh, maybe I didn't. Oh, okay. Well, let's try that again. Okay, but log in where, how? Probably in project settings. Just enable that. I'm gonna disable that one because it doesn't seem to work. You gotta have something in here. Very simple Twitch. Config. We just need a client ID. We have for advanced config. Not much. Okay. It would be cool if there were, you know, any additional documentation about this. Sure would be cool. And none of that's going to be accurate anymore. Do we perhaps have a child node? Very simple Twitch chat. That looks promising. What do I do with you? Where do you show up on this? Or do you? Okay, you're just a node called Twitch chat. Well, let's see what that does. Okay. Not break. This is promising. Does not much. I'm gonna need some documentation on this. We're giving up on this. Okay. When was the last time this was maintained? 2 months ago. Okay, that's promising. To set up a new app. We did that for the last thing. Very simple Twitch doc. Oh, down here. Okay. Did that already. Okay. But we want to copy that to the Twitch developer tab. Okay, how to log in. This way to use a plugin, you can use login anonymously to connect to the channel without needing a token or any settings customization. So, perhaps like that. Oh, that's not how things work. var, that's what I'm missing. No? You've got a Twitch chat. How do I I need some more complete code here. I need a slightly more complete example. Oh wait. Oh, now I don't know what all that is. Okay. No, I shouldn't need to do that. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, hang on. Let's do this the way intended. Okay. It doesn't explode. This is good. In theory, this sends a hello world to my channel chat. But of course it doesn't, because, you know, that would make things actually work. Love that. Let's get rid of all this extra stuff. Let's just reload that. Of course, moves it to my other screen because, you know, why not? Does this magically do something? No, it does not. Oh, this will be a glorious day when I actually get this right. But it's also not throwing any errors, so this is helpful, I suppose. And that's complaining because we don't have this function. Oh, message like that. We stop this running because that won't allow me to save it. That's not helpful. Okay. All right, so it printed ready. Now what? Sorry, I'm ignoring chat. Do you know about 5M? No? 5M what? I don't know what you're talking about. What to do now? Wait, oh wait. Oh, we are receiving messages. Okay, this is good. This is good. We're just complaining about the number of arguments. GTA roleplay? That's a thing? No, I know nothing about that. Called with 1. Expect 0. Oh, wait. Expect 0, but called with stuff. Wait. This might be a breakthrough. Oh, what? No, this isn't what I want. This isn't what I want. Do I need to give you a type? Can you just not have a type? Maybe, please? Specifically on PC. No, I don't know if I've even ever played GTA. Come on, run the thing. Run the thing. Okay. Maybe hang on, test. Oh, okay. Oh, I think this might at least print out chat messages in the console. That's the word. Haha, look at that, look at that. I'm so excited. There's probably a weird delay for you guys, but it worked instantly for me. I'm so happy. We accomplished something today. Literally, I just want to make a pretty chat overlay. Oh, was this the easiest way to go about it? No, it absolutely wasn't it. I suppose you can't chat anonymously, so we can get rid of that. Okay, sorry. Pack Talk, you were talking about how you develop for GTA and have a server and would like some help from an experienced dev that knows coding, scripting, SQL. That's what the files are mostly about. Maybe. It depends what you need and what language things are in. And also how important it is if I've ever played GTA. I've watched people play it. I don't know if I've actually ever played it myself. Not something that particularly interested me. Not really my style of game. But depending what you need. Maybe? Need more details. For the sake of getting something working. Ha! Look, it shows up! It shows up! I'm so excited. Cast on a new thing today. What's your new thing? What'd you cast on? Okay, so instead of just printing it, probably make that const actually. Can I like set text? Can I just be like .text equals chatter.message? So I think like that. I know I can assign things here somehow. Aha! That's what I wanted. I have to hold down control. Except I want you to be the label. And then I think that should set the hello world in the middle to the chat text. So we have something accomplished today. Turns out I can get 6 stitches an inch on 3.75 straight needles. Is that a lot or a little? My brain is not in knitting space right now. I need somebody to type something in chat. I need to see if it shows up. I mean, I could type it in chat, but it's more fun if you guys type it in chat. I want to see if the hello world changes. Oh yeah, look at that! It changed! It changed! We are successfully reading from chat. It took slightly over 2 hours, but we're reading from chat. I'm so happy. Which means if I and minimize that. There we go. Oh wait, does it not continue working if it's minimized? Oh no, there we go. I put that on this. There we go. Okay, and then I have it as a game capture on OBS with a transparent background. So we only see the text. Oh, I'm so happy right now. I accomplished the bare minimum. Okay, so next steps plan for this is to make an actually nice looking scrolling chat. Then I suppose there's no reason we couldn't like make the chat messages do weird things. But I think the next plan is put the chat messages in a box. Yes, I think this is the new plan. I wonder if I can leave this running while I do this. So I have a notion that so everything seemed to want to put things in V boxes. Or there were also scroll containers. Container used to provide scroll bars to a child control when needed. I don't know if I need that. I don't know if I actually need a... I do need a scroll bar. Do I want to be able to scroll through chat? Probably. Let's do that. So now I want to design what our chat message actually looks like. And we can skin it with some pixel art at some point. But for now, I want like a box container or like, I don't know. We'll go with that. I guess we'll get fancy with it later, but yeah, for text edits, texture, nope. Probably just a label. I would like to just like make the background like black or something for now, just so we can see it. Edit theme, here we go. Whatever. Oh, don't know what that is. I don't know what I'm looking at. So never mind. We're gonna clear that. Because I don't know what I'm looking at and I might mess things up, so I'm just gonna get rid of that. Okay, I'm gonna save this as a chat message scene. And then you should contain, I guess, a VBox. There's a way to like export, I think what I want anyways, to like be able to use this as an object, but I don't remember how to do that. So I essentially want this to be an object that I can use. That's going to get confusing. Call you a node again. Oh, wait, no. I do want you to be chat message. I got confused. I got confused about what I was looking at. That's not what I... New inherited scene. Nope. Save branches scene? No. It's not what I want. Oops. Okay. I need to delete this label. I need to close this. I need to delete that label. We don't want that. This, however, is going to be... Yes, I know. Chill. That's not it. I'm quite certain it was control and drag. There we go. Okay. So now, create object from scene. I want to create a thing. Quite certain that's not correct. Yeah. Do I perhaps class name chat message extends node 2D. Okay. And we just send it the chatter message. So string label.text equals message. And what are you upset about? But I made a new that takes a message. What are you upset about? Fine. Like new. Do it like set text. Alright. Oh no. Wait. Maybe that's old. Okay. And now if I type test, it all blows up. Okay. Oh gosh. Twitch doesn't, or OBS doesn't quite play nicely with me turning the overlay on and off. I wonder if I can fix that. There we go. That should stop that from happening. What was your issue? Chat message, line 6, label.text. Is that not how that works? Is it like self.label or something? Nope. Oh, this is what I wanted, I think. Templates from which you can create as many reproductions of that is called instancing, and doing it from code happens in 2 steps. Loading the scene. Okay. So I do want that. Instantiate. I suppose maybe we want reload. Oh, yes, of course. That'll work. Let's see what that does. Oh, yeah, we don't actually need this. Because... Oh, you know what we do? Messages dot add child. So we're gonna add them to this box. But right now, the issue is that it doesn't want to set the label text. Okay, let's at least see if we can get a box to show up. Okay, well, we're printing it to chat. Or to, not to chat, to, we are receiving it and printing it in the console. I don't know that we're actually... Well, no, we're definitely not, because there's no additional things getting instantiated. Okay, that's fine. Don't need to queue free, don't need to delete anything. We do. Well, let's move this to the end so that I know everything happened. Okay, so I'm not adding a box properly, I guess. Because there should be a chat message node in here. And that is not how that's working out. To the docs. Do I need to? No, I feel like there was something I had to do to, like, pack it. Heck if I remember what that was. This is not what I want. This is not what I want. I don't know what I do want. I want to create an instance of scene. Okay, but I want to programmatically. Can I... Oh. Cannot instantiate the scene because the current scene exists within one of its nodes. What? What does that mean? Because the current scene exists within one of its nodes. Oh, because I didn't have the main scene selected. That's why. There we go. It doesn't look like anything, but it exists. Okay. But what if I want to programmatically add those? Okay, that's all well and good, but I want to programmatically add instances. Don't want this here like this. I want to programmatically add the scene. Depends if I just like print whatever this weird object is at this point. Okay, so it is creating one. Maybe I'm not adding it to the thing properly. So add child. So we are getting chat messages. This is good. Reddit, what do you have to say? No, it's a real programming stream when the console is filled with test. Absolutely. Doing real hardcore programming here. With print statements and test. We're getting the messages. We're just not adding the node where I think it should be added. What if I don't do that? Okay, that's what I thought. Come on. One more test. And again, we're getting them, but no child node is getting added. I know it's doing something because we're getting here, but it's not doing anything in the tree. What does the overlay do? At the moment, nothing. I'm trying to make it display chat messages, but right now it doesn't do anything. Like, we're getting the chat messages and we're creating something. Just never mind that right now. But wherever it's adding this child, it's not doing it. So it should be, when a chat message comes in, there should be an extra little thing that shows up in the scene tree. There should be a node that pops up here. That's not how it's happening. Because I think it should be that I want to add it to chat messages like that. I think that should be, like, that seems like it should be correct. Channel name should be uppercase. No, because it's working. We're getting the messages. Like, they're showing up here in the output. So, like, the Twitch connection part is fine. It's the Godot, nothing is showing up. We're getting the information. We're just not doing it properly. Because I think I should be able to, like... Because this is instantiating the scene, which is not... Hang on. It's just... That can all go away right now. So, like, we're instantiating something. It's just not getting added anywhere. I want it to get added as a child of this, but nothing's happening. Nothing shows up. Nothing errors. And I swear I'm using add child correctly. Because, like, add child should add it at least to the root node where the script is attached. So, like, I've been trying that as well. And, like, I'm instantiating it. I don't know, maybe preload doesn't work. Maybe there's something weird with preload. Interesting how it changes from a const to a var. But yeah, no nodes. There are no nodes showing up. Like, something should show up. And I'm so perplexed. Why add child is not... God, if it was a semicolon this whole time, I'm gonna be so upset. Why no message at all now? Oh no, what did I change? What did I change? This is very upsetting. What did I change? Feeling kind of done with this. I'm very annoyed. Yeah, I think that's the only change I actually made. I guess that can probably stay as a var. And I added text to the label. So that, oh, okay, preload makes all the difference. All right. Who knew? Oh, it does add. Okay. Well, hey now, I thought that would show, it would show in here. I thought it would show in here. Okay, well, apparently that's not how that works. So then if I do chat messages dot add, does this also work? No, it does not. Okay, this is progress. We have progress. Well, I think maybe we'll call it here. We have it almost working. I made one small modification during the break. So let's, oof. Okay. Oh, it's like so freaking close though. I need a unique name. Maybe it's like this. I feel like I'm so very close. Eating trash cake in Stardew Valley. Well, don't do that. Your neighbors are thinking you're weird. Oh my god, it works! Oh, it stacks all on top of each other, but oh my god, it works, you guys. I made it work. It's not good. It's not good. But it works. Can I make it show up now is the question. You know what? I think it is showing. Oh yeah, it totally is in the very slightly in the top left. Oh my god, okay. Kind of had to force the issue. So, okay, so it was actually... Things are getting added to the tree, even though I don't think they are. Fine. By that I mean I can't see them, so I thought they weren't there. But they evidently are there. So never mind. And then the other thing is, when I instantiate chat message, it is a scene, which is a collection of nodes. So I just reach into it and get its label and set the text property on the label to the message that we got. And then add that as a child to the root node, which is not where we want it, but it'll do for now. It will do. Let's see if we can. Just want to add some like bigger font. Whoa, that's not what we need. How about that? All right, let's stop that and run it again and see if that actually... Ah, ha, ha, here we go. There we go. We've got it across the top now. Look at that. Look at that, chat. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. We made it. It's ugly, and it just keeps writing over itself. It's very, very ugly, but it's there. My goodness, that was 3 hours of work. Okay, we don't need that there. I am going to keep this log here, though, because that'll be useful. But hey, now that we've got that, we can make it better next time. I think this is going to be my project for a little bit. But since we have chat messages, I mean, I suppose I can just make a game now. I can just go looking for, I can just check each message that comes in for but like a command, and use that to control whatever game. But then, of course, I would actually still want to display the messages somewhere. Okay, well, that was ultimately successful. That was so much work. Okay, I'm gonna call it for tonight because my brain is fried. I have a schedule. We do coding and stuff on Tuesday nights, 8 p.m. Eastern. We do Dwarf Fortress on Fridays at 3 p.m. Eastern. I have socials. They're all in the link tree. I have a Discord. So I'll see everybody back here on Friday at 3 p.m. for some Dwarf Fortress. Thank you, everybody, for hanging out. Thanks for trying to help me debug stuff. And just thanks for keeping me company while I did this irritating part of the project. It'll be more fun next week, I swear. All right. Bye, everybody.